The first annual Grand Canyon Sneeze Echo Triathlon in Echo Point, Grand Canyon National Park. They came to test the limits of lung power and the acoustics of one of the greatest natural wonders in America. 10 athletes, 3 events, the Sonic Sneeze, loudest to chew, the Echo Distance, longest bounce back, and the Rapid Fire Achoo Marathon. Favorite Carla Blastwave Johnson cleared 98 decibels in the Sonic Sneeze until she was disqualified for using pepper spray as a nasal stimulant. In the Echo Distance, Marcus Reverb King Thompson achieved a 1,200-foot return, but admitted afterward that he had sneezed so hard he temporarily changed time zones. The real mayhem unfolded in the marathon portion when contestants sneezed in rapid succession, one sneeze every 2 seconds for 3 minutes. An official fainted at minute 2:47, muttering, "Bless me," on repeat. First place went to Linda Gesundheit Park, who crossed the finish line with 0 Kleenex, but one very grateful park ranger who had been given a souvenir snot rag. There were no podiums, only scattered Kleenex, and one very concerned park ranger who was checking everyone's pollen count. I'm Jeremy Schapp, ESPN.